Easy bathroom fixture upgrade. Brushed nickel finish provides a stylish, elegant look to your tub, shower with easy DIY installation. Universal fit. Designed to fit most bathtub drain brands. Designed to fit 1/7/8 inch drains with bushing. Threaded adapter bushing fits 1/2 inch and 1/7/8 inch drain shoe sizes. Kit includes stopper cartridge, overflow plate, a bath shoe, a plastic adapter bushing. Comes with adapter for use with 1 or 2 hole overflow plate. Durable lift and turn style. Durable brass construction provides strength and durability for lift and turn style drain kit. Easy do-it-yourself installation. Style. Brushed Nickel Product Description Danco is one of the largest plumbing repair, replacement, and remodel suppliers in the home improvement industry, focused largely on empowering do-it-yourself consumers with plumbing solutions that are as practical as they are affordable, giving your home a more fresh appeal and renewed elegance. We provide stylish, design-oriented, innovative home solutions that are user-friendly to support and encourage customers to tackle home improvement tasks on their own, without the heavy price tag of professional services. The Danco Lift and Turn Bath Trim Kit provides an easy way to make your bathtub more modern. It comes with a threaded adapter bushing that is designed to fit 1/2 in and 1/7/8 in drain shoe sizes. It also comes with a strainer, an overflow plate and a bath shoe that install easily. This complete tub drain trim kit comes in a stylish, scratch-resistant brushed nickel finish. This item is sure to complement your existing fixtures. Order yours today. From the manufacturer Danco is one of the largest plumbing repair, replacement and remodel suppliers in the home improvement industry. We are largely focused on empowering do-it-yourself consumers with affordable plumbing products and solutions which create new and refreshing decors for bathrooms and kitchens. Top reviews from the United States. Lift and Turn Bath Drain Conversion Kit. Someone has removed the lever drain mechanism as my 2 bathtubs, making a bath virtually impossible. At the same time, I developed a leak from one drain due to dry and cracked old plumber's putty that needed replacing. This kit took care of all my drain issues and was not difficult to install, though you do need a proper drain removal tool to make the job go smoother. The directions could have been a little more clear. It made no reference to the rubber gasket seal, so I used fresh plumber's putty under the lip of the new drain, between it and the rubber seal.